It is Saturday, the 29th of October.
Is it?
My birthday.
Oh, what a coincidence.
And today we are at the pumpkin patch. It's very, very muddy today. Very muddy. But I guess that's part of the fun. Let's go get muddy.
Let's go get muddy. Carving kit, Mummy. You want one of these? Okay. You might want to eat the white bit first.
So it's just starting to rain, as it does every year. So we're taking some shelter. Having a little bit of something to eat until the rain dies down. Double cheeseburger, £7.50. Is it any good?
It's alright.
Nice.
Fills the spot.
And Jackson's still eating his lolly.
Half hour wait.
Pumpkin princess? Yeah. Say hi.
Pumpkin patch this way.
It's our song.
Happy birthday! I'm the how photo with pumpkin.
You're going to photo with that pumpkin, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Come on, Henry, there's a good girl. Now, Henrietta here is 20 years old. She's a European eagle owl, and she's one of the biggest species of owl in the world. You guys stay where you are. Look at it. No. She says chicken leg in the mud, not really what she was after today.
Come on.
Come and get it. Do you want to hit instead? Oh, we're a bit slow starting this morning. That was one. Okay, there we go. Used to. And owls in the wild don't fly very much at all because that takes lots of energy. And I'm going to bring out a very different bird for you. It's a bit more exciting, it's a lot faster. Here we go, folks. Now, this guy's pretty special. His name is Maverick. He's 2.5 years old, and he is one of our Harris hawks. Cheeky, you hopped off there, never mind. Well done, thank you very much.
That's the ride up here. Did you want to have a look?
It's weird, look.
Is that weird?
It's like a car.
It's like car.
Wings.
It's like what?
It's like wings.
Rings?
Me and Jackson have found a ring pumpkin.
Why is it a ring?
Why is it a ring?
I don't know, why is it a ring? You want to do this?
See you in a bit. Jackson in the blue hat. You don't want to get stuck.
How are we going to get around it then?
Right, come on then, let's walk through it. Get it? Give me a hand. If you get stuck, I'll pick you up.
What if I get stuck?
Look at all that.
Not going to get stuck.
Whoa! Oh my!
Again.
Thank you. And we got really muddy as predicted. What's your best bit? I bet I can guess.
Go on then, go on, guess.
The hot chocolate.
No.
No?
No.
What was the best bit?
The burger.
Between the burger and the hot chocolate, so I knew it was one of them.
Pumpkin lolly.
Oh, your
Pumpkin lolly. That was his best bit, the pumpkin
Oh,
lolly.
so it tells me somebody's copying somebody. No, it was great, as usual. We come every year, rain or shine, and it rained and it shined, so...
Not so much shiny, but it's
Oh, it's
stopped
shining
raining.
now?
No.
I mean, the sun's not out, but it's not raining now.
It stopped raining, and we always have fun anyway, no matter what.
Yeah, we had a great
We
time.
have wellies, we wear appropriate footwear. Unlike some people, I saw someone in Crocs.
Oh yeah, that was a bad choice. What?
The tripod. What's going off?
Ah, yeah. Great quality.
You had a day?
Yes, have you?
Yeah.
And what did you enjoy?
The food.
The food. My boy.
And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you real soon. Bye.
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 Weird looking birds. I don't even know what they are. If you know, drop a comment.
Okay, so plans have changed slightly. We're not going to go to the fair because I'm feeling under the weather and it's going to be really expensive. It's £10 to get in and then you pay for all the rides. And then there's a firework display at the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive there and we're going to go and watch the fireworks from... Jesus, Dad. Watch the fireworks from the outside. It's a bit of a cheap way of doing it, but times are hard and I'm not feeling up to going around a fair right now. We're just going to go see the fireworks.
Birthday, Mum. Celebrate it with firework display.
Wow, rainbow!
Wow. Get it? Good roll.
You're gonna cry.
I'm not gonna cry.
You are.
It's not Disney. And that's it. What a fantastic birthday I've had.
I saw an owl.
We did just see an owl. Yeah, we have an owl in the garden. So Daddy just got a quick video of it.
Owl says, woohoo.
I've been truly spoilt. Truly spoilt. Through gifts and just being with my family. I got my Spirit jersey, first ever Spirit jersey. And I got my first ever lounge fly. It's the Premium Bar Mickeys and it smells like them.
Chocolate.
It smells like chocolate too. And best of all, tickets to Disneyland Paris. So excited. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You're welcome.
I like Mummy's presents.
So I hope you enjoyed my birthday. I hope you enjoyed my oh goodness me. I hope you enjoyed my birthday vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you real soon. Bye.